says sometimes we'll leave the word right here. But the wise won't do that. I'm going to show you in the text, and while the wise won't do it, and it's because I simply told you about the sermon subject. Are you married to Christ? Yeah. Or are you just shacking with the church? Right. See, the thing is with that, see, we want to receive benefits. See, we want to receive the marriage benefits. We want the blessings from the blesser, but we don't want the blesser. See, and the thing is that we want to receive some things, and the reason why we can't receive some of the things is because we're not yet where we need to be. We are yet not sitting there married to Christ, but we're sacking in. But we're sacking in His house. But see, you're trying to, and I'm hoping that you stay with me. Understand what I'm not talking about anybody, but it is a thing called marriage, and it is a thing called shacking. How do you know that? Because see, I sat before I got married. I ain't telling you what I heard. See, in order for me to try to get to you, I got to tell you about something I've been through. I got to be able to tell you about something God overcome me. You see, I can't tell you about something I ain't ever been through. I'm going to try to tell you about a war and I ain't got no battle scar. This right here, I'm trying to help somebody today. I didn't come up here to entertain today. I ain't come to entertain today. See, I come to tell you about somebody that the only way you're going to walk with Him, the only way you're going to go in with Him, the only way you're going to receive Him, you got to stop shacking and get married. That's just the bottom line. That's just it. That just cut straight through the chase. That's all it is, too. I can't stand up here and dress it up for you. I can't stand up here and make it look good. But I got to tell you what He gave to me. See, I had to preach to me before I could preach to you. I had to hear from Him before you could hear from me. But the Bible says those who was foolish took their lamps and took no oil with them. It said, but the wise took oil in their